Alright, so I'm trying to figure out what's wrong here. Um, Battery's good. Just charge that. I don't know if it might be the relay or the starter, but they were working just a minute ago when I tried to hook up the KC lights. I'm pretty sure I shorted something out. But I was wondering if y'all could help me out. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and see if we can figure it out. I think it might be an ignition switch, but go ahead and give me your input, please. Appreciate it. So everything sounds fine. I'm gonna stick the key in, but go to turn it. Nothing happens. Nothing at all. But as you can see, the panel's still, well, I guess the fuel and the clock are the only ones that work, but as you see, it's still moving. So I don't know what the problem could possibly be, but if y'all could help me out, oh damn, if y'all could help me out, I'd really appreciate it.